Alrighty, so going forward, this is going to be extremely important for anyone who plans to use ChatGPT for any professional service. So whether you're using it to write an essay for school, whether you're using it to write blog articles, emails, anything of that nature, you're going to absolutely know how to need this. So to avoid any plagiarism detectors, I found a way. So let's get into it. Here's how you do it. So what you do, you ask ChatGPT to write you an article for, let's say, your blog, your essay. It doesn't matter what it is, your LinkedIn, Twitter. Those don't really matter as much, but for any article that you're planning to use for SEO purposes or anything like that, you're going to need to know how to do it. So what you do, you ask ChatGPT to write you an article about said topic, right? Me, I just use this as an example. 3-paragraph blog article about the state of China's economy. Now, because of ChatGPT and its limitations currently, it has the data it gathers from is from 2021, and it gathers data from many different sources and pretty much mashes them together. And occasionally, not often, occasionally, the content will get plagiarized just because the nature of the internet, right? So what we're gonna do, here's how you defeat the plagiarism detectors. You copy the article, right? So after they finish, ChatGPT finished writing your article, you copy it and you go to Google, right? And the best way I found, a lot of times people may say change it into Spanish and then change it back. No, I don't say change it into Spanish because Spanish is too closely related to English. I know it may not seem like that, but a lot of times, Spanish is not that far away from English, right? We have a lot of the same words and so on and so forth. But what I found is Chinese is far enough away that when you transfer it and transfer it back, that's how we're going to do it. It mixes it up in a sense that it'll be unique, right? So here's what you do. You copy your ChatGPT text. So you go right here, copy, paste it right here. And Chinese simplified, it doesn't really matter, simplified or not. Change it into Chinese. So see, this is the same article. I guess this is another form of Chinese. But anyway, and then you're going to copy this. And then, well, I guess I'll just show you. Copy this right here. Then you exit out. And then you switch this right here, this button right here. So now we're transforming from Chinese to English. So you're going to paste. And notice the differences, right? So this one starts off, in recent decades, China's economy has achieved tremendous growth and development, becoming a global economic powerhouse. However, the country's economic success has not been without challenges. Versus, China's economy has undergone tremendous growth and development in recent decades, transforming into a global economic powerhouse. However, the country's economic success has not come without its challenges. So, same but different, right? Go down, like say it's close, but it's not the same. So this is a unique version of what was written right over here. Now, it doesn't change the meaning of what it's trying to say, but it's unique, right? So to show you all, now this is 100% unique article. So what I did, I copied this and I went into a plagiarism checker, right? So Grammarly has one. I think they may be tied in with Grammarly. I'm not sure. But this is a plagiarism checker. This is like one of the first, one of the top 5 you'll find on Google. One of them has too many ads, and the other one is Grammarly. So this is the third best choice without having to pay for Grammarly. And I pasted the article. So I pasted. As you can see, it's the same article. In recent decades, China's economy has achieved tremendous growth. Same article, right? And what you do, go right here. You hit I'm not a robot, and you hit check for plagiarism, right? So I went ahead and did it. And the results is going to give you same article, 100% unique. Right? So congratulations. No plagiarism has been found. Right? And this is because, so let's just revamp over the steps so that you know exactly what to do. And I would just do it just to be safe, whether you're writing for like I say, a Twitter post, a LinkedIn, SEO, especially essays, do it just to be safe, because you never know how your Twitter may come to the point. Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, all of these sources may come to the point where they say, okay, any articles or things written by AI, we're gonna downvote, and the articles that are written by humans, we're gonna boost. So I would just get in the habit of anything you have ChatGPT to write, do the steps. So let's go back over the steps. So first one, you go and you ask ChatGPT to write you an article, an essay, a tweet, LinkedIn post, etc. You copy the post. You go into Google Translate. Let's revamp. Go to English first. You paste the post. Oh wow, copy that. Well, let me just go ahead and do it with y'all since I'm here. So y'all have the steps again. You paste the post right here. It's going to spit out the Chinese version. You copy the Chinese version. Let me go ahead and do it. Go from the bottom. Copy. You exit this right here. You switch it back. Paste the Chinese version. It's going to spit out a different version of the original English version. It doesn't change the context. It doesn't change, what's going on. It just changes the words, the diction, and that's the things they look out for with plagiarism. Because a lot of the articles written about the Chinese economy are in English that we will understand, right? And that's where a lot of the data points have been happening. So you're going to copy that, and to just double check your work and make sure there's no plagiarism checker, you go to duplichecker.com, scroll down, you paste it in right here. If it doesn't work at first, you're going to have to click I'm not a robot, hit check for plagiarism, and it's going to pop up a loading screen showing that it's loading, 27, 37, 75%. Then it's going to say results. And you scroll down, and there you have it, 100% unique. And these articles, because you've done this, no plagiarism found, you can upload this to your blog article, your email, your Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and it's going to show that no plagiarism has been found, and it's going to show that it was possibly written by human, and this is 100% unique content, and that's what they look out for. They don't want the same tweets, the same Instagram quotes, and they don't want that. As time goes on, that's going to get more and more crucial for them to weed out that, and they're probably soon going to go to these AI and plagiarism detectors and built them into the feed, so that anytime there's an AI or plagiarized tweet, and as more people start to use ChatGPT, this is what you all know, so y'all getting the inside scoop. As more people start to use ChatGPT, it's inevitable that the same content will be posted over and over again. If somebody said, hey, write me a tweet about business, it's not too many tweets about business just from when they search from right here. A lot of people are going to start using those same different types of tweets, and they're going to be posting it, and over time, the Facebook algorithm and Twitter algorithm are going to say, hey, we've seen the same tweet over and over again. They're copying other people's tweets. Let's not show it to as many people, and you're going to get less and less views, and they're going to mark your page as, a plagiarizer, essentially. So in order to counteract that and get ahead of the curve, which not many people know, because a lot of people just copying and pasting the post from ChatGPT onto their social media profiles and blog articles, SEO, and things of that nature. This is the inside scoop. So copy that, paste it in here. Paste it into here, retranslate it back and forth, and then just to double check your work, paste it in the plagiarism detector, and it'll show 100% unique. So there you have it. That's the secret. Don't share it with too many people. Let them downvote their page. Y'all can share, if you want to. But again, y'all have the inside scoop, so use it for your will. All right, let's go on to the next.